Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the problem. Open Task Manager and sort by disk to see which process spikes usage. Once you identify a culprit, pause or close that app to stop immediate thrashing. Next, run a quick antivirus scan and check Windows Update. Background scans and updates often cause high disk. Make sure to save any work before rebooting drives or stopping services. These first actions both diagnose and reduce load, so you can proceed with deeper fixes. Once the immediate load is down, dig into longer fixes. Disable unneeded startup apps to prevent repeated disk access at login. This lowers baseline usage. Run disk cleanup or storage sense to clear temp files, update caches, and remove old installers that provoke indexing. Also inspect virtual memory settings. A badly sized paging file forces excessive disk I/O. If you have an SSD, make sure trim is enabled and let the system manage the page file for balanced performance. Finish by addressing the system layer. Update storage and chipset drivers or roll back recent driver changes that introduced high I/O. Temporarily disable services like Windows Search or Superfetch to test whether indexing or caching causes spikes. If usage drops, reconfigure rather than permanently remove. Finally, run chkdsk to repair file system issues and consider cloning your system to a faster SSD if the disk is a hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.